Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies. So we got a GG1 over there, and we've got a Kato or Kato over here. But the problem is the GG1 is pretty fast. I think that's an IHC double motor job. Where are they now? I hope they're going the right way. Oh yeah. Just having a little fun. Let's put these on. This is by... Oh, look at that. The thing fell right off. Oh, crap. Know where it went. Alright, there goes a G. Oh, wow. That is an old AHM, and that's an MRC. The MRC's got flywheels and everything. There's no couplers on them, so they won't couple up. And if the track's clean enough, the old AHM is slightly faster. Well, that's not a good bucking scenario. I gotta get them off. Let's see if they come down this straightaway. It's from the 80s or 70s. This is from the 90s or early 2000s. That's from the late 90s, early 2000s. Nice. And little trains for the day.